Hi, good morning guys. Well, today we will see the basic programming of tree traversal, right? So we will be implementing various functions like pre-order, in-order and post-order. Okay, so let me take an example. Suppose this is tree. So it's a binary tree, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And let's suppose the address corresponding to each node is 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Okay, the first and foremost, you should know what is the structure of a tree, right? So what is the structure of a tree? So let's suppose I am telling this is the structure and name of the structure be node. So let's suppose the name of my structure is node. So let me explain here. Now this is your structure, right? And let's suppose the name of the structure is node. Now, in a tree data structure, my node comprises of three parts. Okay. So this first part is information part which contains your data. It can be in a form of char, int, float. It can be anything. Then, so this is your information part, right? So this is your right pointer and this is your left pointer. So right pointer will contain the address of right node, left pointer will contain the address of left node. For example, right, this 10 is what? 10 is nothing but 10 is your info. This is your info. So right pointer will contain the address of right child, which is 300, and left pointer will contain the address of left child, which is 400, which is 200. Similarly, for this node, the right pointer will contain the address of right child, which is 500, and left pointer will contain the address of left child, which is 400. Now for this node, there is no left and there is no right, so both will be null. Similarly, these all are leaf nodes which do not have a left and right child. So this will be null, this will be null. Similarly, this will be null and this will be null. So this is the basic node structure. How will you declare this? So struct is a keyword to define your structure and name of my structure is node, right? So this structure is containing three parts. So I am putting an integer here. So this will be int info. Then there is a left member and then there is a right member. So left member is containing the address of left node. So it is containing the address, therefore it has to be a pointer, and similarly right is also containing the address, so right has to be a pointer. But remember one thing, that this left pointer is containing the address 300 and 300 is the address of one complete structure. So left is a pointer which is not pointing to an integer, right? It is not pointing to an address, but this left pointer is pointing to one complete structure. So the type of this pointer has to be a struct type. So struct, name of my structure is node. So right is also, the type will be struct node, right? And there is a variable of the structure which is, I am telling it is struct node star root. So this is my structure variable. These are my structure members. This is my structure name. Struct is a keyword to define the structure, right? So this is the basic structure for your tree. So now we will start programming various tree traversal, and you will see that how easy it is to program the tree. Now first you should know what is pre-order, what is in order and what is post order. So there are various traversal, how you traverse this tree. So pre means पहले, यानी कि root जो है वो पहले है. तो it's root left right. In means root जो आएगा वो center में आएगा. So it's left root right. Post means root जो आएगा वो last में आएगा. So it is left right root. Right? Now, so when you do programming, so remember one thing guys. What I am telling you right now, you will not find on any YouTube channel or maybe not in the books also, how they write the code for this tree. So remember one thing, that root is nothing but root is just like your printf statement. It is a printf statement, right? When it comes left, left is nothing but it is a recursive call. It's a recursive call. Similarly, right is also a recursive call. So whenever you see a root, so when you start programming, so whenever you see a root, you simply write a printf statement. Wherever you see left and right, you simply write a recursive call. So now my first objective is to print this tree following this tree pre-order traversal. So So in pre-order, first is root, then your left, then your right. So let me write a function, display function, which is going to display the tree. Let's suppose this is your root. So void pre-order. I am implementing pre-order. So I am passing root as a parameter, struct node star root. Right. So if my root does not exist, it means there is no tree. So I will write if condition. If root not equals to null means if there is a root, it means there is a tree. So if root not equals to null, we do certain things. And what are those things? First, so what is pre-order? Pre-order is root, left, right. So first thing is root. Root is nothing but your printf statement. To write a printf statement, it is printf %d. Now you want to print the info part, and root is your variable. Info is a member, right is a member, left is a member. So structure members you cannot access directly, right? Structure members can only be accessed by using your structure variable, and my structure variable here is root. So I'm going to access this 10, which is nothing but your info part of the structure, by using this variable root. So I will write root and info. Now what comes here in between this? Dot या फिर error. देखो dot तब आता है जब when your variable is a normal variable. My variable is not a normal variable, it's a pointer variable. So in case if my variable is a pointer variable, I have to use the arrow operator, not dot operator. So write simply printf %d comma root arrow info. Now next comes, it's a left. Left is nothing but your recursive call. So recursive call means same function name. Same function name is pre-order. So how you have to call this function? By passing left as a parameter. So you will write root arrow left, and then pre-order root arrow right, and that's it. That's your program. Now we will debug this program. How the things are coming. So far so good, right? I don't think you have any problem in this. So root means printf, left means recursive call, right means recursive call. So we write a function void pre-order. I have passed the root as a parameter. So if root not equals to, it means if my tree exists. If tree exists, then traverse the tree in this fashion. Printf root info. Root info, why? Because first thing in pre-order is your root. Then it's a recursive call. So I am writing pre-order root left. Again pre-order root right. So this is my basic function of pre-order traversing. Now let me tell you, or let me debug this function. How you debug? So what is the value of root here? This root is 100. So 100 not equals to null. Condition true है false है? Condition true है. So if ये तीनों के तीनों statement, they all are under a statement. So if this condition is true, we will evaluate this, this as well. This all three statements get evaluated. So printf %d root info. So 100 का info is 10, 100 का right is 300, and का left is 200. So first thing what we are doing, we are printing root का info. Root info is what? 10. So 10 gets printed. Next statement is what? Pre-order. Pre-order. It's a recursive call. Pre-order root left. So 100 का left है 200. 100 left is 200. Then pre-order root का right is what? 300. Right. So first thing that gets printed is 10, and then we will evaluate P200 function, and further we will evaluate P300 function. So this function won't be evaluated, okay, until unless we will solve this entire function. So let's solve this P200. So now 200 means P200 means the function, recursive function, the function will call itself. So here the value of root is 200. So 200 not equals to null, condition is true. Again do the same thing. 200 का info. 200 का info is 20. There is no left and there is no right. So now we will solve 300. So when you solve 300, 300 not equals to null, condition is true. So when the condition is true, you are going to print the info part of 300, which is 30. Left of 300 is what? 400, and left of 300, right of 300 is what? 500. So it is 30, pre-order 400, pre-order 500. Now we are going to solve 400. So when we will solve 400, it will print 40. Then left is null, right is null. Similarly, when we solve 500, it will print what? 50. Left is null, right is null. So now tell me, सबसे पहले क्या प्रिंट हो? सबसे पहले क्या प्रिंट हो? सबसे पहले आया 10. 10 के बाद हमने इस फंक्शन को सॉल्व किया. So we'll start with this. first thing that gets printed is 10. After 10, this function will come. Now we will solve this function. So next value gets printed is 20. Right? So this is done because this is null, this is null. After this function, we are coming to P300. So when we are coming to P300, first thing that's getting evaluated is 30. So 10, 20, 30. After that it's 40 and then it is 50. 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 50. So this is the pre-order traversal of this tree, and this is the basic code and how you are debugging this code. Note it down. Right? Thank you.